Hi everyone. Today we'll have a look on the topic structuring knowledge for cognition tasks. We know that radio is a physics oriented domain. Radio propagation, spatial arrangement of infrastructure, and user mobility are inherently said to be the physical phenomena. The language, inference engines, knowledge bases, and formal models of cognitive radio are expressed in an integrated language, which is RKRL, that is, Radio Knowledge Representation Language. The micro-worlds framework of RKRL is structured analogously as illustrated in this figure. RKRL as a language has a set of meta-level micro-worlds that define admissible expressions like inferences, domain knowledge, which is the knowledge base, computational and axiomatic models, which are the formal models. Radio knowledge representation language also has a micro-world for each of its multiple knowledge bases, one for each major subdomain of terrestrial wireless. Finally, RKRL describes inferences that can be performed for task domain automated reasoning. These meso-world components describe and control conventional SDR components, which includes both hardware as well as software. A single micro-world for all of the wireless needs would suffer from ambiguities, inconsistencies, and combinatorial explosion. Mobile wireless, fixed terrestrial microwave, satellite systems, aeronautical radio and navigation, each of these are complex subdomains of radio. Each has a different degree of focus on physical phenomena. Satellite communications, for example, includes trans-ionospheric propagation, Keplerian motion, and solar cycles of charging batteries that are not directly relevant to the terrestrial wireless. The specific radio domain impinges on military, civil, aeronautical, naval, police, fire, rescue, government, and ISM-RF bands, among others. Air interfaces include the primary multiple access types like FDMA, TDMA, CDMA, and SDMA. Here, networks are said to be cellular, but many are unsupervised, while others are not only supervised but also highly secure. The terrestrial wireless domain also includes users and other entities that must be modeled to infer user communications context. This scope cannot be contained in a single micro-world. Thus, multiple micro-worlds of terrestrial mobile wireless constitute a meso-world. The meso-world of RKRL version 3 is partitioned into 47 micro-worlds grouped under different constellations, as shown in this table. Radio knowledge representation language constitutes a reference ontology of world knowledge, which includes concepts, models, radio domain knowledge, etc. The meta-micro-world defines RKRL's syntax and related meta-level primitives. The semantics are then bootstrapped into the system through the expression of concepts and models. RKRL is built using a set theoretic operator based on the axiom of choice. That operator is expand, which is a structured form of the conventional union operator. RKRL initially consists of the empty set to which elements are added top-down in an axiomatic way. Elements grow into the sets and subsets with finite but otherwise unconstrained structure. The initial set of elements comprises the names, that is, the handles of the micro-worlds and constellations. These have not changed much in the last 3 iterations of RKRL, right from version 1 to the current version 3. Coming to the research issues in this topic, first would be the minimum set of knowledge that must be available in order to approach the performance envisioned for cognitive radio. Next would be the minimum set of representation, that is, the data structures that would be needed to express that knowledge, to assure that it may be used effectively in control of the software radio. Last would be the specific computational relationship between elements of the RKRL and the processes of the cognition cycle which employ that knowledge in cognition tasks. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video to be useful, kindly subscribe it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to click that like button because that motivates me to post more videos. To get immediately notified whenever I upload a video, click on the bell icon. If you want me to talk on any special or specific topic of your interest, kindly let me know in the comment section. Thank you once again.